Hey, this is Biggie. When I'm at home, I spend most of my time in the basement. So I let Biggie hang out with me over here on this chair, over here. But he doesn't like to stay there. He likes to be on my shoulder. So I thought I'd take Biggie and kind of toss him, and he would go upstairs. But no, see what he did? He came right back and landed on my shoulder. So he's not a cinnamon conure, he's a boomerang. Watch this. he kind of went round about that time. Come here, little rascal. Let go. Let go. Biggie the Boomerang. Right back. Trying to do it so you can see it better.